Quantum's been around for going on our 17th year now.
We're manufacturing customized wheelchairs for patients who could possibly be waiting to get out of a hospital.
When it comes to complex rehab, it's not an out-of-the-box product anymore. It becomes, very customized to that individual person and what their individual needs are.
Speed to the customer is key in our business, and we really thrive on making that happen.
One of the things that was an issue is we have so many models, from lift chairs to scooters to travel mobility to complex power wheelchairs, that you have an owner's manual for every single model. And the moment that you make a change in that owner's manual, you have to now insert addendums into all of those owner's manuals.
We used to print off our manuals in our corporate headquarters, and they have multiple people that would run multiple shifts to print off manuals. We had over 100 different manuals that we would stock.
That's kind of where our manufacturing engineering department started working with the crew from Canon and saying, okay, well, what can we do?
We wanted it to be a quality process that was reliable, repeatable, efficient at a 6-minute cycle time, as small a footprint as possible. So we reached out to Bob Phillips from GBM.
There was a lot of integral little pieces to this puzzle that we were given to, piece together.
What their concern was is on the production floor, a production environment. There's always a concern when you put a piece of equipment out there, dirt, debris, dust.
In the completion of these multiple manuals, you would have a cover stock, your cover, and then you may have 10 to 15 to 20 pages of lighter stock, and then another heavier color cover stock. We were given a criteria of 6 minutes or less to complete that process. And it wasn't until the ImagePress C700 came around that we were able to complete that process at the same speed.
They recommended the Canon ImagePress C700. Have the total capability of producing the manuals on demand. Working with Canon and GBM, it was seamless. We gave them the requirements, they came back, presented the solution, and we moved forward with the project. Definitely the performance of the ImagePress has definitely lived up to our expectations between the two machines. We haven't skipped a beat. When we do rev changes, it's seamless.
So we're saving a ton of paper. We're printing on-demand owner's manuals. So if something changes, if we republish a model, if we make, any kind of quality improvements, that could get published in our systems overnight. And then at that point, that goes right into our system. So the moment that somebody orders that chair, bang, you hit the print button, and now your owner's manual is printed up to date with that particular chair. From a lean perspective, really one of the things that we've been doing over the years is really trying to figure out the simple things that we could do to just get more efficient.
When we looked at this project and all the savings, it totally fit into our lean initiatives.
And the last thing you want is to have the simple thing, what you think is a simple thing, is that manual holding up that machine from going out the door and not having any downtime, completes that process.
We are very focused on just continual improvement. We don't ever feel like we're done. The consumer's number one, and organizational efficiency is what we need to do and continuously improve upon. We're never perfect, so we got to keep looking at better ways to innovate.
The project has been so successful that we've expanded it and implemented it in our Las Vegas facility, and then also internationally in our Canada facility.
We have over 50 units, including wide format, that Quantum require.
I've worked with Bob over the last 6 months. What his company as a whole has been able to do for us, their support has been amazing.
It's beyond my expectations, and I had high expectations, but it's further exceeded. We're almost a year into it. We've got, between two machines, almost 4 million prints coming out of it, and literally 0 operational downtime. If you looked at one of the books today, after 2 million, it looks like the one that came off of it the first day. That's Canon's technology, and that's a showcase for what Canon can do.